Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust solo as a beginner. First, upon spawning, immediately seek out a quiet, less populated area to begin your journey. Your initial goal is to gather 100 wood and 100 stone to craft your first tools, a stone pickaxe and a stone hatchet. These will significantly speed up your resource collection. Remember to keep an eye on your hunger and thirst meters, as staying fed and hydrated is crucial for early survival. Avoid player encounters whenever possible. Once you have basic tools, focus on establishing a small, secure base. Look for a secluded spot, perhaps near a forest or a rock formation, to minimize visibility. A simple 1x2 or 2x1 structure is perfect for a starter. Upgrade its walls to stone as quickly as you can gather the materials. This provides much better protection. Don't forget to place a sleeping bag inside for respawning and a wooden storage box to keep your valuable items safe. With your base secured, it's time to progress. Gather metal ore to craft a furnace and a code lock for your door, enhancing security. Smelt those metal fragments to upgrade your tools to metal and craft a basic weapon like a bow. Hunting animals provides cloth for sleeping bags and low-grade fuel, essential for your furnace. Consider planting a small farm of pumpkins or corn near your base for a reliable and renewable food source, keeping you self-sufficient. As a solo player, awareness is your greatest asset. Always listen for footsteps or gunshots and keep an eye on the horizon. Avoid engaging larger groups. Stealth and evasion are often your best strategies. When you feel ready, cautiously explore smaller monuments for better loot, but always have an escape plan. Continuously upgrade your base defenses, adding more layers and traps, and ensure your most valuable loot is stored securely. Patience and persistence are key to thriving solo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.